Yeah, and also there are vegetables outside, and you can see the water is stuck here and it has covered.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this rain. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play. How I live, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. Get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play.
I just love it.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Has rained, guys, and I'm actually coming live from home. I'm so happy because we've been waiting for this for so long. Yeah, I'm sorry I've not washed my face. I just wanted to come and capture the rains because where I think I've been woke up by we slept with the Haley, but I felt like, hey, wait, my baby have not gone to school, so I had not slept well yesterday because of, okay, I don't know what to say, but Chalo left. So I'm just here. So the rain has been like it has been too much since 4 a.m. I think 4 a.m. Yes, 4 a.m. So I just want to see how it's going on, and I think because construction has been ongoing, everything was shattered, so I don't know where the water passes right now. So I just want to go around and see where needs an adjustment, because right now I need to take all the mandates and the responsibility to see where we can adjust, because the front part of our house is worse. So Evelyn and Tash, they are so lucky. Today it has rained, so I think they are not going to cure their wall. So the rain has already cured it, but they have to cure the other side. So thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to Linet_KE. Yeah, let's go and check outside, guys. We just woken up. Our house is kind of dirty. Yeah, I also have some clothes there to fold, but let's check outside and see how it is. Oh yeah, look, the water is splashing up to this side. Oh my god. Yes, I can see the water is stuck there. Oh, what else needs to be removed? Oh, that water also is stuck. That needs to be removed. Oh my god. And also here, I think water is stagnant as well, so that place needs to be dug down. But I don't see the water if it's stagnant. You can see it's going. Yeah, because of the people who have been working here, the soil has been being left, because okay, during this dry season we've been doing a lot, and I've actually come to realize that most of the people build here during dry season. I think it's because of not disturbance of rains, because where my neighborhood, all of them are building. But even Tash, they never considered that, I know that, but it's by the grace of God. If God says that it's this time, it's this time. So I'm so happy to see it raining. So let me walk around and see, but first I have to put on my gumboots. I put on my gumboots to be safe. I don't want to catch some cold, and this is the first day. So I was worried when I woke up early in the morning. I thought my baby had not gone to school, so like my heart started pumping. I thought about driving her to school. But when I came and asked Anita, she said, I've already sorted that. I've taken her to school. So today, I think, I don't know what happened today, but I don't know. Anyway, so let me go have some gumboots. I love the red roses, the way they've bloomed, and they are actually, all of them are looking towards our house. So when you just sitting in the house, you can see them from there. So Javian wants to say hi to me in the morning. Say hi, Papa. Say hi. What are you seeing? Eva. Good morning. Ebu mwashie taa. Si atajiwashia. Anyway, that's my sister, and Javian always wants to speak to us through video call. Javian, Papa, it's raining. It's raining. Who is not here? Ona venye kunanyesha. Mbona kunanyesha? Kuja tucheze kwa maji. I'm back. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yes, Mom. Yeah, so I'm ready with my gumboots, guys. Let me go and check. So I hope where you are, you're taking care of yourself. Please keep warm so that you cope up with this environment. I know changing of environment sometimes comes with a lot of things. Oh, let me try. Yeah, I'm ready. So let's walk around and see. And actually the rain seems like it's not going to stop anymore. Yeah, so this is the place that I was saying I need to work it out, but I'll ask somebody to help me. Yeah, to dig out or to separate this ballast with sand. Same way to this side. And you can see the water is stuck here, and it has covered one side of our stairs. So yeah, this is where I wanted to see mostly. Oh my God, the soil is super loose, so these people never compacted. When you walk, you're going inside, like you see. Oh my God, they never compacted it well. Oh, now I see. There is water going to our neighbor, guys, from our side, and they usually say that it's not good. So I don't know how this is going to work. And our bananas, they're very big. So let's go around. You okay? Hey, water here. Now even this one is bad. Leave alone any other place. What happened to this one? Seems like it even broke. Yeah. The lights are on. I need to change them. Yeah, that one is just good. The water is going. So I'm so worried if it's going to my sister's to collect my sister's sand, but I'm going to check. Oh no, this one needs to be returned. They're lying down. So there's sometimes back the water used to pass here. Seems like today it has not passed. So let me go on the other side and see how it is. So this is life in the countryside, guys. You know, for us here the drainage is very, very poor. Not like in the city, like the water you can but here you can also do it, but we've not reached there yet. So you have to deal with what you have. You just keep on protecting wherever you can to see if it can safeguard your home. I'm very cautious on how I'm walking because it's very slidey. See? So these vegetables are going to, they are going to skyrocket, for the lack of better words, because where the rains are here. So I think everything is well. Yeah, I wanted to check this because there is a time water was passing here and it was being collected in our dustbin right there. So let me see. I think it's good. Yeah, everything is good, guys. So let me go outside and see whether my sister's place is safe, because I know where they are building the water used to pass in between the sands. Yeah, you see how I'm sliding, but I'm super cautious, and also the gumboots are they have big threads, so there is chance of balancing before you fall down. Oh, the rains are more now compared to how I left. Mbona inakauka? Seems like it has been affected by a disease. Look, I don't know what type of disease is this. It's not healthy like others. Anyway, let's give it time. Seems like there was a lot of wind, guys. Look at how the trees has been lying down, like they've been I don't know what to say about it. The rain came with a lot of wind. Oh, I hope it's not. Okay, let me see where the water. So the water from our home, I think it passes there, goes all the way to the main road. The main road is right there. So let me see here. We used to have a problem where the water used to pass in between this land. So let me see where it's passing. It's passing by. Buddy. So, let me pluck some cherry tomatoes. Just got the cherry tomatoes. My neighbors, they don't know what the use of cherry tomatoes, so she told me to go and pluck. Anyway, let me see this water, which was stressing me where it comes, but it used to pass here. Oh, sorry, let me see. Used to pass here, but I see it's not passing because also this neighbor who is building here have to secure it. I think the place is just good. I won't be going inside, guys. Yeah. The fundis are coming today. They are continuing with the construction. So let me just wait for Eve to come. Eve and Tash to come. So yeah, I just wanted to see, like, make sure their soil have not been carried away. Yeah. And also their vegetables have really grown. So let me go back home. This was the very big ditch, but right now it's good. So let me go back and see Anita. I'm back. So I'm trying to fix this this thing, but when you try to put on the light, you won't see anything. So, okay, let me show you guys what I'm trying to fix. This is the filter, so you have to wash. Okay, it's washable. You can wash it and make sure it's dry. It has dried enough, and then doesn't have any water. Anyway, you're not supposed to do what I'm doing right now, like squeezing it, because it can go inside. So this is how you fix it. You hold here, and then you fix this, and then this is the last one. So you better fix it without light, because when we put the light, I think there is a lot of reflection. Let me try. And to fix it correctly, it's somehow a hassle, but you try. Yes, like that. Yeah, it's done. So you can see how well it has fixed. Yeah, so like that, your what? Your food is ready to be cooked. I feel a little bit hot, and it has just stopped raining. So we usually put our things here to drain water, and then we put them in these things. I feel like we should put the lids down, the pan down, because this one is empty with only balls. So look for a thing, the ones that have not dried enough, to wipe them slowly. The one seems to be bigger than others. Yeah, so like that. So we are planning to do away with all the plastics and be using this type of cups, Luminac, or any type. So let me wipe the ones that I want to keep first. So after washing, sometimes we wipe them as we keep them, because the water sometimes cannot drain well in this one. And the drainer that we bought, the the one that we actually have it here. I don't like the way it's this one here. I don't love it. It occupies a big space. So maybe I'll look for the one which is over the counter, the one that you can stand here, but you can still access your tap and work without interference. Maybe you put it from here towards this side. Yeah, there are those over the counters racks that you can use. Yeah. So let me wipe there. So this is a magic, I don't know if it's called magic water bottle. It stretches. This is how it works. Yeah, so let me wipe it. You can fold it and put a little water, but it's so fancy, especially to the kids. So this is just for my daughter, gift from her grandma. Yeah, it looks nice, and the colors also are very attractive, you see. I don't know how much it costs because she's the one who sells them, but it's very nice and it's very durable. Unless they go to school and find other kids to cut. You know, when kids get laser blades, they can really do things with their laser blades. Yeah, so since we are just two of us, I think the utensils are not so many. So let me wipe the utensils, guys. I finish and then we prepare something with the cherry tomatoes that I was harvesting when it was raining. And then we eat. After that, we'll be going to the garden to harvest some vegetables, maybe for lunch. Today I'll go just once for lunch. And maybe for supper. Yes, so we'll just harvest once only. So I'm actually looking for something that I can, I don't know if it's called a wrap or something like that, that I can put on, for like you just put it like a carpet, like, I don't know how it's called, and then I be placing the utensils there. And also there is a certain mat that you put here when the cups are draining. There is no need of putting in a basin. So you put it here. Here you put the cups, they drain, so it absorbs all the water which is being drained from the water that you've cleaned your utensils. So I'm looking for one, and I don't know where I can get it, but probably I'll get it from Nairobi. That's the only place we do get from. Yeah, so I'll still go with the Nairobi. So this ones we usually put them because for our Hailey, she can't access the glasses that we use there. But Chalo Kush and other family members, they love using them. Me, I love using these ones. I don't know how this material is called, whether it's plastic or not, this type of a cup. So we usually arrange them here. So when we used to stay in Nairobi, we used to have salty water, and you can see how it really affected our water dispenser. I think the water is almost finished. So with this one, we decided to arrange them right here. Yeah, we put here for easy access for Hailey going to school and everybody. Yeah. So they are good there, and also we have some few glasses right there. This one is for harvesting vegetables. I think I can put it right here. Yeah, so I'm done with the kitchen, guys. I told you I have some cherry tomatoes that I harvested early in the morning, and I had really missed them because we used to buy them at a higher price in Nairobi. So today I'm so lucky. So let me bring them. We cut together. Cucumber zirisha.
Cucumber. Nico.
Okay, the cherry tomatoes are there. Let me get a knife. I think small one will be better because they are too small for the big knife. Yeah, so these are the cherry tomatoes. So I feel like my neighbors, they don't know how to use them. So let me show them how to use them. You can eat them raw. You can cook daga, which is omena, with them as well. Yeah, so you just divide them. For those who love cooking pizza. Okay, let me start this side, guys. You know, we are YouTubers. Sometimes we have to consider the lighting and also the convenience of the camera. Yeah, so when you're cooking pizza, you can cook with a vegetable pizza. You can cook with these cherry tomatoes. They are really nice when you cook with them. So I feel like I'm already missing Chalokush because he could have prepared this way long time ago. Utakula? Okay, I'm asking somebody behind here whether she'll take. She's saying no. So they are not very bitter. They are very soft and also sweet. Just a normal taste. So these ones are okay. I think these ones I'm going to put them in a, let me wrap them and put them in a fridge so that they don't get spoiled. I'll still need them. Yeah, I had already washed them. They are very clean and they have drained. So I'll just keep them in this aluminium foil. Is it a foil? Okay, a cleaning film. Yeah. But I'll pick one to go and try and plant it in my, okay, two, the ones which have, seems to have cracked. They're okay. Oh, let me remove my sweater. So for those who are watching for the first time, don't worry about my stomach. I'm expecting. And I think it's visible for those who are watching. Okay, let me put them together with these ones here. We usually store our turmeric and other fruits covered. You just wash them, let them dry. Sometimes you don't even have, but you know you have to wash them. Especially depends on where you buy them. From the market, whether the person has washed them or not. So today I'm planning to eat pawpaw and some 2 cucumbers. Yeah, they're right here. So I think 2 will be enough for me. Yeah, so those ones are good. Yeah, I'll be peeling this and I'll be serving with these ones. So these ones I'm going to take them to the garden. don't have a peeler. I don't know if it's called a peeler or what. So Chana told me anytime that I want to take cucumber, the ones that are not from our garden, I make sure I peel them out, the peels, because I don't know if they sprayed just the other day you bought them. But what I'm coming to learn from the comment section, especially from the food that you are buying from the market, people are saying the tomatoes or anything that you buy from the market, make sure you leave them for maybe two or 3 days before you use them because of the sprays. Yeah, most of the people, okay, vegetables or anything which is being sold in the market nowadays, people have to spray, like they spray because they want to get money. They don't want them to be eaten by a lot of pests, so they keep on spraying them a lot. And finish up here. So let me know, do you eat your cucumber peeled or you just eat? Okay, I'm trying to be, you know, right now we need to eat healthy because we are 2 of us. So I'm trying really hard to eat healthy. Yeah, so I think I've been I don't know what happened, but I read somewhere that when you're pregnant, there are some foods that you feel like you're not eating, or they smell bad and they used to smell good to you. Like me, I used to love chapati. Chapati is okay, I know most of you know chapati from the flour, baking flour. Is it cooking flour or baking flour? Okay, I don't know. So, but the ones which is used for baking bread, stuff like that. Yeah, the pills are here, guys. So let's go chop. So I learned that our bodies, when you're pregnant, our bodies, there are some things that it doesn't need. So you find that your body is eliminating them. That's why you find them smelling bad. So a way of eliminating them, it smells bad to you. So like me, I don't eat chapati. But yesterday it tasted and it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. But for the last 3 months, more. I've not been eating chapati, any type of bread. Like I don't eat it. It doesn't taste good on me. It doesn't even smell good. Yeah, so I just love raw things, and the ones sometimes like the pineapple, I love it. And also I can take the ones with no sugar, like these cucumbers. If you're a lover of sugary things, I know you can't take cucumber because it is tasteless. But it's good. You can cook with it. If you don't take it, you can do salads. You can do anything you want. Time to cut our pawpaw. Yeah. So here we don't buy pawpaws. You can get them from our neighbor. You go maybe buy, or your neighbor can even give you for free. Anyway, I'm not like I love free things, but if they have like when it's harvesting time of pawpaws, you find them, they are just a lot. We also have some in our garden, so it's good to maybe buy from here because you know very well they've not touched any chemical. Yeah, so somebody advised me, if I love pineapple, I should take the pineapples that I'm very sure that they are not sprayed, like they don't have chemicals. Yeah. So all these guys, if you're wondering, I'm going to take all of them, and I think this will be my lunch. Yeah, I do eat a lot of fruits. Yeah, and it's not super cold because I've just picked it from my fridge. Nikukatia pineapple ama kosa? Popo. Takula baadaye. So nisirudishe kwa fridge. So you just peel it this way. Like that. And you take care of your hands not to chop your hands. Yeah, so like that, they are good. And then I serve myself in a bowl. So let me bring a good plate, a very big one. Yeah, I want to feel like a queen today. You know, guys, you have to treat yourself. Don't wait to be treated. Treat yourself. Okay, I'm not good in preparing desserts or arranging. Okay, I just put the way I feel like they're good, so long as they go to my stomach. Hakuna cucumber. Hey, Anita doesn't want to taste anything. She doesn't take cucumbers. Okay, big cucumbers, I can even eat 4 of them. These are just 2. Okay. They are good. So this one I'll just cover for her head. Maybe here. Then she'll eat maybe at her own time. Yeah, so sometimes I do sprinkle salt. Okay, no salt. Just a little. And my cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. I know it's weird, but I really love it. There, somebody told me I can add some black tomato. Black what? Black pepper. Just a little. I think that's good. Yeah, so guys, we have our food right here. Yeah, so maybe I'll just fry my eye and then I eat. So let me fry the my eye. Oops. It's already just like that. So we are ready for our breakfast. Yeah, so you just put it here. And from today, I'll be speaking to Chalo through WhatsApp. So let's hear what he's saying. Hi. Kwaje? You don't have credit. Yeah.
Yani imekuwa ni cheap.
Oh,
Bundles cheap.
okay.
But inashika size sijui vizuri. Wewe kuwa bwana mafuta. I guess nimejisahau. Ni kama CVD.
Alright. Acha nifanye video. Sawa.
Okay.
See you. Okay. He's looking for credit. So today is day one in an international place like country. So I think network is really disturbing him, but he's really trying to look for somewhere. So guys, because I'm alone, Anita doesn't take all these things that you're seeing here. I'm going to take alone, but she had already taken some breakfast. I think she took tea. So for me, I think also milk. I don't like it right now. So today we are going to take our breakfast from outside there in our lawn grass. So let's go and take. Yeah, it's good to treat yourself, guys. Sometimes like a queen. Yeah, I love it. So maybe this one gonna be falling. So I feel like I should just go with my seat right there. And this one is the one which is comfortable. I'll just take it, but unfortunately, okay. Where can we feed from? Okay, let's go and sit there. Let's enjoy from here, guys. At the palm tree. This is our apple tree, and this dwarf tree, and there is a watermelon which is growing right there. Unfortunately, we don't have some. Okay, we don't have what? We don't have stools, so I'll eat from my lap so long as I just enjoy from here, guys. What matters is, am I happy? So welcome to our breakfast. This is what I eat. Yeah, I make sure that I eat healthy. Anyway, let me eat, guys. Let me enjoy my food, and then see you when I'm done. today we are harvesting vegetables which is called managu in Kiswahili or in our local language, and it's called black nightshade. I think ours are green nightshade. Yeah, because I can hear a lot of birds today. There have been a lot of birds and I enjoy the sounds, but as well they will be feeding on my managu because those are the things that they love in our garden. So let's go and harvest, guys. Black nightshade that I want to harvest, guys. Can you see they are ready? Okay, we do harvest them. We really love to eat them, but the sounds that you're hearing right now, hey, no sooner no sooner do I know, no sooner what? Just a minute, you'll see them coming to feed on this yummy vegetable. So let's harvest. So when they spot these big leaves, they come for them. So it's better we just cut them short from here. So right now, because it rained, it has a lot of dust and soil. So these ones, be careful when you're cooking or washing. Yeah, you wash them thoroughly to avoid eating soil. Yeah, that's why I overwash my vegetables, and I always see people in my comment section complaining that I overwash. Well, I'm on the one on the ground. I know how much or more water I need to clean the vegetable, how dirty they are. Yours, maybe you buy them from the market, probably. By the time they are harvesting, they're always dirty like these ones, guys. So the only thing they do, they wash them to make them bulge, because when they are maybe measuring for you, they take them like this with three fingers, and they count for you monies. Anyway, guys, let me harvest slowly at my own pace, and then see you when I'm done harvesting. So we've decided to mix with pigweed. So we have pigweed and black nightshade. Yeah, these are enough for today. I think for lunch, if anyone will need to eat lunch, for lunch and supper. So I told you I'll be coming to the garden once. So we are done for the day. Maybe something I'll come for is rosemary and maybe lemon tea for evening tea. Yes, guys, let's go home and wash our vegetables. Wandara, let's go home. Our vegetables are clean now, you can see from right here. And I'm about to chew sugarcane, a whole sugarcane from there. Thank you guys for watching. I think I'll end my video here. May God bless you abundantly. Hope you enjoyed this countryside video on a rainy day. Yeah, you can see how it has impacted our environment, bringing more birds. Garden looks so cool. Everything looks so cool, isn't it, guys? As you can see from the video, I really love it. So thank you so much for watching. May God bless you abundantly. Yeah, please remember to subscribe, share, and like the video. Bye from this side. See you tomorrow.